In this class, let us discuss about minimization of Boolean functions. In previous class, we discussed about Boolean functions. Okay, na? We discussed about Boolean expressions or Boolean functions. Minimization of Boolean functions we discussed. But in this advanced method to the Boolean function is nothing but Karnaugh map method. Okay, na? So during the process of simplification of Boolean expression, we have to predict each successive step. Okay, na? So we need not remember any Boolean functions or any Boolean laws. We need not remember anything here. Okay. So the map method first proposed by Vecchi and modified by the Karnaugh. Hence, it is known as a Vecchi diagram or Karnaugh map. Okay, right. So in this corner map, so there are one variable corner map, two variable corner map, three variable and four variable, even five variable, six variable also available. Okay, na? First we'll discuss one by one. Okay, na? So first I'll introduce first what is K map, then how you are going to represent. Then I'm going to discuss how one variable is represented, two variable, three variable, four variable, followed by the five variable. Okay, na? So the K map, nothing but the pictorial representation of a Boolean expression is nothing but a K map. Okay, now the basics of method is a graphical chart known as a corner map. It contains boxes are called cells. So this is a box, right? This is one box. Okay, I'll discuss later. It is also one box. This is also called as a box or cell. Each of the cell represent one of the two n possible products that can be formed from n variables. Thus, a two variable map contains four cells, a three variable map contains 8 cells, and four variable map contains 16 cells. For example, there are one variable is there. Okay, na? So, two. Okay, na? Two variables, two combinations. So for example, there are two variables are there A, B. So two for nothing but four variables, four combinations. There are three variables A, B, C, eight combinations. If there are four variables, so 16 combinations A, B, C, D, like that. Okay. So this is about so number of combinations depends on the number of variables we are using in the K map. Okay, na? So let me discuss first what is meant by one variable K map followed by two variable K map. Okay. Let me discuss about first one variable K map. Okay, na? First one variable K map. Right. One variable K map means only one variable is there or a variable A. Okay, na? So in that A we can store A equals 0 or we can store the information. So A is a variable which can store binary values. We can store 0 or 1. So that's why I'm representing like this one variable corner map. It is A. Okay, na? So you may store A equal to 0 or you may store A equal to 1. Okay. So when you store 0 into the variable A, it is called A bar. When you store 1 into the A, it is nothing but A. So A can be represented as 1 and A bar can be represented as 0. Right? So this is a one variable K map. So let us discuss two variable K maps. How many combinations are there? Here there are two combinations are there here. Because only single variable A is there, no? So A may store 0, it is called as A bar. If A stores 1, A equal to 1. Okay, now? Now, let us take two variables A, B. Okay, now how many combinations? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Four combinations. So, in order to represent four combination, I need to take four boxes. Clear? Okay. Right, so in this you take A this side and B this side. So 0 1 0 1. Okay, now how many combinations? There are four combinations are there, right? Okay, so here first these two are the rows and these two are the columns. Okay, now first each cell must be represented first row followed by the column. First row is 0, no? 0 I wrote. Then column I wrote here. First row followed by the column. Okay, na? First row, A is 0, na? That's why I wrote. Then after that column 1. First row is there, 1 is there, I wrote 1. And then after that column 0. Okay, na? Then row is 1, column is 1. So like that each box represent the value corresponding that A is a row value first followed by the column value. Okay na? So I wrote 0 1 here, 0 1. First 0 I wrote, then 0 I wrote here, then here after that 0 followed by 1. First row column is 0, this is column is 0, this is column is 1. So like that 0 0 value is how much? Okay na? So the 0 0 value is 0, 0 1 value is 1, 1 0 value is 2, 1 1 value is 3. Okay, 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 2, 1 1 means 3. So same thing I represent, this is a 0, this is 1, this is 1 0 2, 1 1 3. Okay na? Right. Next I'm going to talk about 3 variable corner map. Okay, 3 variable means A, B, C. 3 variables I am going to use. So how many combinations will come? 8 combinations. 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Right? It is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, and it is 5, 6, and 7. Okay, na? So 2 to 4 of 3 equal to 8 combinations. Okay, na? So let me take like this. So 3 variable corner map representation. Right, so this side A and this side BC. Okay, so wherever there is a single variable is there, we should write 0 1. Here there are 2 variables. How many variables are columns? There are 2 variables. BC is there, 2 variables. How many combinations? 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Actually we should write 0 0, 0 1, 1 0. We should write like this, but what I'm doing now, 0 0, 0 1. After that, so after that you should not write 1 0, should not write 1 0. This is wrong representation. That's why what we have to do, BC equal to 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. So same thing I am writing here. So because of 2 variables, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Because why I am writing like this, the reason is, so any 2 bits, adjacent bits, should be differ by only 1 bit position. So 0 0 is okay, but 0 1 should be changed. Okay, at least 1 bit position. So BC is 0 0, next one is 0 1. No, it is a BC, right? So these two are same, but at least 1 bit must be changed. Okay, this is correct. And take next one, 0 1, 1 1. I'm taking these 2 bits now, 1 1, 0 1, 1 1. Okay, so here these two are same, these two are same, right? Here 1 bit is changing, it is also accepted. Coming to here, 1 0 and 1 0 1 1. So these two bits 1 0 1 1. Here also these 2 bits are same, 1 bit is changing, so that's why it is accepted. So come to here what is that here? So 0 0, okay. So coming these to compare these two, so this 0, this 0 same, and this 1, okay, 1 bit is changing, accepted. Okay na? So coming to these two now, 0 0 0 1. So these 2 bits, no, here this bit is changing 0 to 1, and this bit is also changing 0 to 1. So 2 bits are changing here. What is the bits here? I wrote 0 1 1 0. Look at here, this is 0 1, this is 1 0 I'm taking. So 1 0 changing, 1 0 changing, so it is 2 bits are changing here, right? There are 2 bits are changing, so 2 bits should not change. Adjacent bits or successor bits should be changed by only 1 bit position. Okay, that's why it is wrong. Okay na? So that's why I should not take like this. So that's why I'm approved. That's why I wrote here 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. After 0 0, 0 1 will come, then 1 1 will come after 1 0. So for example, take any 2 bits. So 0 0 and 1 0 you also take adjacent bits, no? 0 0, 1 0. So two bits are same, so one bit different. Okay na? So adjacent bits should be differed by only one bit position. So adjacent, or sorry, successor bits, two successor bits should not be, two bits should not change, only one bit should be changed between them. Okay, that is about this. I hope you clear understood this. Why I am writing 0 0 0 1 instead of 1 0, I wrote 1 1 followed by 1 0, I wrote, right? Okay, next look at here. Yeah, I told you now, first this is a row and this is a, these two rows are there, and this is a column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3. Gonna row 0, row 1. First row number should take 0 followed by column 0 0 is there, no? Just substitute here. First write 0 because all the rows 0 now. This is a row 0, right? 0. After that column 0 1, this one. After that 1 1 take here. After that 1 0 take here, right? Next here 1 is there, no? Here first row you should write. First row you should write, clear? Then dump the column 0 0, just write here. Then 0 1 right here, then 1 1 right here. After that 1 0 right here. So this is the way of representation values inside the cell or box, clear, no? Next, so what is the 0 0 value? What is 0 0 value? 0, no? So write 0 here. What is 0 0 1 value? 1, so write 1 here. 0 1 1 3, write 3 here. 0 1 0 write 4 here. 1 0 0 right, sorry, this is 2, no? I'm sorry. Right, this is 2 here. Okay na? 1 0 0, what is the value? 4 here. 1 0 1 5 here. 1 1 1 7 here. 1 1 0 6 here. Okay na? So write that. So finally we should understand that A, B, C, right? So what I wrote, every time you need not write 0 0 0 0 0 1, you need not write, only you should remember the values. First 0, then 1, then 3, then 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This numbers you should remember. This is 0 1, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Okay na? This is a representation of a 3 variable Karnaugh map. Okay.